Hey fam, let's take 5 minutes to reset, refresh, and realign. If your posture has been suffering from too much desk time, phone scrolling, or just life in general, this is your antidote. You're here, and that's what matters the most. Bad posture can cause tight shoulders, stiff hips, and an achy back. But here's the good news, it's fixable. This routine is for anyone looking to feel taller, move better, and stand stronger. Whether you're here for recovery, maintenance, or a quick morning reset, this flow is designed to target those tight areas and unlock your body's natural grace. No equipment needed, just a mat or soft surface and a bit of space. You can do this routine at home, in the gym, or even outside for an extra dose of fresh air. It's all about keeping it simple and effective. Here's what we're working with today. A dynamic start to wake up your spine, stretches to open up your hips and chest, and movements to gently release your shoulders. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel lighter, more open, and aligned. Not just physically, but mentally too. Let's bring balance back into your posture and movement. Let's hit the mat. We are starting with a powerful duo to awaken your spine and gently release tension. Think of this as a reset button for your back. Begin in child's pose. Sit your hips back onto your heels, knees wide, and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat, taking a deep inhale. As you exhale, flow forward into Sphinx pose. Lower your hips to the mat. Prop yourself up on your forearms and lift your chest gently. Inhale back to child's pose and exhale into Sphinx. Move fluidly for a full minute, letting your breath guide you. This dynamic movement stretches your spine, opens up your chest, and activates your hips and shoulders. It's perfect for releasing stiffness and preparing your body for deeper stretches. By the end, I promise you'll feel a new sense of lightness in your back. If you feel tight in your hips, place a cushion under your hips in child's pose. Need to go gentler in Sphinx? Lower your chest slightly to reduce the back bend. Take one more flow, then come up to kneeling as we prepare to stretch the sides of your body. Now, let's create length and openness along your sides. Think of this as creating space from your hips to your fingertips. From a kneeling position, step your right foot out into a low lunge. Place your right forearm lightly on your thigh and reach overhead, stretching toward the left. Swing your arm gently, breathing deeply. After 30 seconds, switch sides. Step your left foot forward and reaching your left arm overhead. This stretch lengthens your obliques, opens up the side body, and releases tightness in your hips. It's also amazing for improving posture and overall mobility. By the end, you'll feel taller and more expansive. If the lunge feels too deep, place a block under your supporting hand or keep your back knee closer for stability. If you want more of a challenge, lift your back knee for an extra challenge. Come back to kneeling and let's add a twist to unlock your spine and hips. Time to wring out the tension in your hips and spine. This twist is like hitting the refresh button on your body. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply, then switch sides. Step your left foot forward, plant your right hand, and twist to the left. This stretch is going to open up the hip flexors, strengthen your core, and increase spinal mobility. By the end, you'll feel looser and more aligned, ready to stand taller and move with ease. Keep your back knee down for a gentler stretch. Lift your back knee for added intensity. Let's shift our focus to your shoulders and upper back, areas that often carry the weight of the day. Think of this as releasing a heavy load. Bring your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to gently press it closer to your body. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. bringing your left arm across and using your right hand for support. This stretch releases tension in your shoulders and upper back, improves flexibility, and helps correct rounded posture. By the end, your shoulders will feel lighter and you'll stand taller. If this feels too intense, ease up on the pressure. For a deeper stretch, tilt your head slightly away from the arm you're stretching. Lower your arms, shake them out, and let's finish with a chest opening stretch to bring it all together. Let's end with a heart opening stretch to free your chest and shoulders. This is your moment to fully reset. Clasp your hands behind your back or hold a towel if needed. Inhale as you lift your chest and draw your shoulders back. Hold for a full minute, letting each breath create more openness. Feel the stretch across your chest and through your shoulders. The stretch will combat tightness from slouching, improve posture, and open up the heart space. By the end, I promise you'll feel free and ready to take on the day. If clasping your hands is tough, use a strap or towel for support. If you want more of a challenge, gently lift your arms higher for a deeper stretch. Take one last inhale and release your arms, feeling completely open and grounded. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've released tension, realigned your posture, and opened up your body. Fam, before you leave, remember you've already won the day just by showing up. Just make sure when the notification bell goes off, you press play. Don't miss any future sessions. And invite your friends to join in. They'll thank you later. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free gift in the description below. It's packed with the tools to help you level up. Stay powerful and keep moving. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.